friends, I have sensitive eczema-prone skin. I have to be really careful about the makeup I use, otherwise I will literally break out in rashes. About a year and a half ago, I discovered a brand called Tower 28 Beauty that I absolutely love. It has the distinction of being the only makeup brand that 100% follows the National Eczema Association's guidelines for ingredients, and many of its products have been awarded the National Eczema Association's seal of acceptance. Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. If you're already a subscriber, thank you, and I love you. If you haven't subscribed, please do, and tap the bell for notifications. Tower 28 Beauty is named after a lifeguard tower in Santa Monica. How cool is that? They like their products like they like their beaches. Clean, full of sunshine, and for everybody. Tower 28 was founded by a woman who has had sensitive skin her entire life. Now, sensitive skin takes many forms, and for me, it's eczema. Same with the founder of this company. After 15 plus years working as a beauty executive, she was frustrated that her sensitive problem skin meant she was limited to serious brands that felt clinical. I couldn't agree more. If you have sensitive skin, you've heard the terms hypoallergenic, fragrance-free, dermatologist tested. It's a start, but that doesn't mean the product is good for you. At Tower 28, they know that what goes on your skin also goes into your bloodstream. As I mentioned in the intro, the game changer for me was that they 100% follow the National Eczema Association's guidelines for ingredients. They avoid known irritants and allergens for those with sensitive skin, including essential oils and synthetic fragrances. Their products are hypoallergenic, non-comedogenic, dermatologist tested, and gluten-free. The first product of theirs I tried was the SOS Daily Rescue Facial Spray. It is a soothing, purifying, and repairing daily spray for angry, stressed out skin. It has received the National Eczema Association's seal of acceptance and is safe for all skin types. This stuff is absolutely fantastic. I use it all the time, multiple times during the day. I just spray this on whenever I'm feeling I need a little bit of anything and my skin is feeling a little bit irritated. I also use it as a toner after I do my cleansing every morning and night, and it is fantastic. I keep it everywhere I go. I cannot recommend this enough. I also tried the Superduo highlighter balm because it was recommended as a highlighter that gives a nice glow, and boy does it. It is a translucent, no color, complexion boosting balm. No shimmer, no glitter, no daytime disco, just glossy, luminous skin. It also has received the National Eczema Association seal of acceptance and is safe for all skin types. This seal of acceptance is not easy to get, by the way. This stuff feels wonderful and looks great on. Next, I tried the Shine On Lip Jelly. It has the shine of a gloss, the comfort of a balm, plus a pop of color. As the website says, it is for never sticky, always shiny lips. Traditional lip gloss coats lips with a layer of shine, but can end up leaving lips dry underneath. That is definitely what happens to me when I have tried other lip glosses. This one is a moisturizing lip treatment formulated with a unique blend of 5 nourishing oils to soothe and protect lips. It comes in 6 shades. I have the one called Spicy, and I like how it looks and feels. The one negative is it doesn't really stay on too long when it's by itself, so I will usually put it on top of another non-glossy lipstick. They recently launched a tinted sunscreen foundation with SPF 30. I've had trouble wearing foundation my entire life. Most of them start to irritate my skin literally after 1 or 2 hours of putting them on. So I haven't worn foundation for the majority of my life. I was super excited to try Sunny Days from Tower 28. It is a 2-in-1 mineral sunscreen foundation with broad spectrum UVA, UVB, SPF 30 protection. The website says that Sunny Days evens redness and soothes UV stressed skin while maintaining a natural finish so your freckles, moles, and real skin can have their moment in the sun. It is designed for problem-sensitive skin, and it also has the National Eczema Association seal of acceptance. It comes in 14 shades with light, medium, buildable coverage, and natural finish. No white cast or oxidation. It was easy for me to find the right color with the description and the pictures that they had on the website. I got the 35-point Doom, which is described as medium with warm undertones. I've been using this now for a couple months, and all I can say is wow. It provides just the right amount of coverage while keeping my skin look natural, but I can't tell you how moisturizing, non-irritating, and just wonderful, like glowing this feels when it's on. I can literally wear this all day long, not have a problem at all. And I love that here in sunny San Diego, I am protecting my skin with the SPF in it. So I'm just totally hooked. I'm sure I will buy another color, maybe a little bit darker for the summer when I'm more tanned, but this has just been a godsend for me. At the same time that I ordered the foundation, I ordered one of their Beach Please Luminous Tinted Balms for cheeks and lips. This is described as a multi-purpose tinted balm that blends seamlessly for a natural luminous finish. No cakiness, no harsh lines, just beautiful sun-kissed skin. This silicone-free formula is made with skin-loving plant-based ingredients like green tea extract and aloe vera extract that gives a skin care boost with every application. It comes in 6 shades, and I got the one called Happy Hour. I'm also loving how this looks and feels on, and I have basically ditched all of my other blushes. I actually just ordered another color in it too, the one called After Hours. The combination of the spray, the foundation, the highlighter, and these blushes is just magical for my skin. Honestly, I've never been able to wear products like this all day long and not have them start to cake or irritate or look really, really bad. So I'm just such a fan of these, and I'm so glad that I found this brand. I am not a paid spokesperson. I paid full price for all of these. I just love sharing information about these brands that I love. So if other people are experiencing issues like I have, you kind of know where to go. In the next video, I'm going to share with you some of the products I recently found for my eyes that are also good for my skin, so stay tuned for that. What makeup brands do you love wearing? I would love to know that in the comments below. Thank you, Tower28, for just these magnificent products that I absolutely love. You've changed my makeup life. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it more than you know. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.